Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Ringing Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko Agingesto. And for this, episode 12, mga must-try drinks by Ukiyo Cafe. Ukiyo Cafe is located at E. Lopez Haro in front of McDonald's near at West Visayas University at the parking space of the old Orange Panda building. They're open Mondays to Saturdays, 11:30 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. And very limited lang yung parking space niya and along the road siya. Yung store nila, very small lang siya, but it is good for on-the-go products or authentic Japanese drinks here in Iloilo City. My first taste test vlog for 2020. Hi there mga nos! So I've here different types of drinks by Ukiyo Cafe. Let me remind you mga nos, this is not a sponsored video. Ito binayaran ko isa-isa in my own personal expense. It was recommended by one of my subscriber and top commenter na si Migs Arceo. So let's start! So first product natin, iced coffee latte for 65 pesos. So yung iced coffee latte, ito malasahan ko talaga yung coffee beans niya, which is Arabica. Authentic na authentic siya. At yung kanyang milk, well balanced siya at well complement siya sa coffee essence nito. Perfect na perfect siya sa mga Arabica lovers and for the coffee lovers itself. And by the way mga anos, I have here cleanser, water. Kasi iba-iba po yung drinks na tikman ko. Cleanse muna tayo. For our next drink, this is Lemon Yakult. 69 pesos. Wow. First time ko matry ang kanilang Lemon Yakult. Perfect balance siya at combination siya ng Yakult and the same time yung lemon. Very refreshing. If you're a big fan of Yakult, I must say, eto, must try nyo tong drink na to. Before I forget, these are all best sellers when it comes to their categories. Isa pa yung nagustuhan ko dito, any drink sa Ukiyo, meron siyang sticker. Eto, to make sure na hindi tatapon. Yung gagawin lang po natin is tanggalin lang yung sticker. Dahan-dahan lang po. Ito yung sticker nila, nakaseal sa taas sa lid nila. Our next drink, under Choco Loco category, 25 pesos. Ice chocolate nila. Hindi siya matamis, pero if you're a big fan of pure cocoa, must drink para sa inyo. Malasahan yung sweetness, pero ito, ma-appreciate mo talaga yung authentic cocoa powder or yung dark choco itself. Our next drink, lemon yogurt for strawberry. Pure lemon juice yung malasahan mo dito sa drink na to. For the yogurt, nandun siya, complement yung lemon, yogurt, at the same time yung tamis ng strawberry. Authentic, fresh, and raw ingredients yung ginagamit dito sa drink na to. Ito sa mga most recommended, ito po yung Matchalicious nila for ice, 95 pesos. Ang sarap. Nako mga kanos, ito talaga, recommended and bestseller talaga siya. Matcha lovers, must try drink talaga to, yung Matchalicious nila. Kaya pala, medyo nasa mid-range yung rate niya. Kasi, yung ginagamit na matcha nito, authentic matcha essence. Gustuhan ko sa lahat ng drinks nila, kahit anong categories or anong type na or preference na gusto mo. Hindi mo talaga malasahan yung overpowering sweetness. Ito, authentic na authentic talaga yung yung kanilang ingredients. Naging true sila when it comes to authentic Japanese. Sa dulo or aftertaste, malasahan mo talaga yung authenticity ng matcha. Hindi siya yung basang-basang powder flavoring na common na matitikman mo. Ito kakaiba. Ito ma-distinguish mo talaga. Their Tokyo Cheesecake and Boba Milk Tea. 109 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Tokyo Cheesecake and Boba Milk Tea. Ang sarap niya kasi nalasahan ko talaga yung authentic tea essence. Yung cheesecake niya, hindi siya yung typical na cheesecake na matamis. Ito, sakto-sakto talaga. And for the pearls, very delicate siya, very smooth. Last but not the least, their signature drink, brown sugar, milk tea boba with cream mousse. For 100 pesos, tataka kayo mga kanos kung bakit wala siya yung brown sugar essence niya. Mabilis talaga siyang mag-fades. And by the way, meron silang instructions or tips or procedures to drink your brown sugar milk tea products. Yung igagawin mo, 10 times mo siya i-shake upward and downward. Nakalimutan ko igawin yun kasi nalagay ko na yung straw. I do apologize mga kanos. But, na-mix ko naman siya. Yung pearls niya, very soft, very delicate. Tapos yung cream mousse niya, napaka-dense niya. Nag-mix na siya dito sa drink na to. Maganda kasi dito, hindi nawawala yung essence ng tea. Tapos, hindi nag-overpower yung sobrang tamis. Maganda kasi dito, mga kanos, yung kanyang tamis or yung brown sugar essence niya, hindi siya masakit sa lalamunan. Mild yung taste niya. Okay, for rating mga kanos, for iced coffee latte, I'll give this a perfect 10. For lemon Yakult, I'll give this a perfect 10. For iced chocolate, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for lemon yogurt, strawberry flavor, I'll give this a perfect 10. Iced matcha licious, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for Tokyo cheesecake and boba milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Sugar milk tea boba with cream mousse, I will give this a perfect 10. Thank you so much, Ukiyo Cafe, especially sa baristas na prepare at nag-accommodate sa aking drinks. Napakabilis nila when it comes to preparing my drinks. Very accommodating and very friendly when it comes to increase and other details when it comes to their different types of drinks. Based on my review, Ukiyo Cafe maintains their good service and good quality of product, very accommodating baristas, and also one of the best authentic Japanese drinks in Iloilo City. So much Ukiyo Cafe. I hope na hindi po to last na i-review ko yung product nyo. Sana more drinks to come. Hopefully you would invite me again to feature your products. Thank you so much, Migs Arceo, for suggesting and recommending me this brand, Ukiyo Cafe. Thank you so much, Ukiyo Cafe. Congratulations and Happy New Year! Thank you for watching mga kanos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesse saying, bye!